Welcome to another sword tutorial. Today we will learn sword flowers, and here is the flower 1. We will use this side of the sword. This is called the attacking side. First, raise your sword and change your side. You have to use your body just like this to increase the flower speed. Your body will create torque, which can increase the sword attacking speed. Now I am showing it from the other side. In every moment I change my side so you can see it clearly. Don't worry, I will not take too much time. I already showed them in my previous video. Here is the flower 2. Now this is a very common flower, but I will showing you in a different style. Practice this flower in 2 directions. Now look my movement very carefully. In this moment you need to change your side. Now combine those flowers. First flower 2 and then flower 1. You can also exchange them. Now I told you I showed them in my previous straight sword videos. So watch them and you can use them in the broadsword also. Now how to use? So, do you know what are the benefits of those flowers? There are 2 benefits. Now let's talk about the first benefit. The first is shield and distraction. These flowers can create a shield and you can push your enemies back, and also you can create a massive distraction and perform a critical attack. Now the second one. This is also very beneficial to maintain attacks from all directions. If you are surrounded by enemies in all directions, then you can create a barricade. Cannot come easily close to you. So this is it. I hope this information will help you. So practice these flowers very carefully. And thanks for watching.